let's crochet the capital letter H. We start off with a slip knot and then chain 16. You can use any yarn or crochet hook size that you want. I'm using worsted weight yarn with 4.5mm crochet hook. From the second chain from the hook, we are going to be working single crochet stitches all throughout. So we should have 15 single crochet stitches for the first row. All the crochet terms I'm using are based on the US, and any details about the pattern can be found in the description of this video. And then turn your work, chain 1, single crochet in the first up to the end of this row. So for row number 2, we should have 15 single crochet stitches. So we turn your work again, chain 1, single crochet stitch from the first up to the end of this row. So for row number 3, we have 15 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, we skip the first stitch and then we slip stitch in the next 5 stitches. And make sure you do not tighten any of these slip stitches. Okay, so just enough tension. We'll leave the remaining unworked. Do not turn. We need to chain 6. After chaining 6, from the second chain from the hook, we work single crochet. So we should have 5 single crochet stitches on this chain. And then after that, we're going to slip stitch in the next unworked stitch from the previous row. So this one right here. Turn your work and chain 1, skip the first slip stitch, and then we're going to single crochet across. We should have 5 single crochet stitches. Turn your work, chain 1, single stitch again in every stitch across. So that's 5 single stitches. And then we're going to slip stitch in the next unworked stitch right here. Turn your work and chain 1, skip the slip stitch, and then slip stitch in each of the 5 stitches across. Okay, make sure you don't tighten it too much, so just enough tension. Do not turn your work. We need to chain 7, and after chaining 7, from the second chain from the hook, we work a single crochet stitch. So that's 6 single crochet stitches on this chain. After that, we are going to work 3 single crochet stitches on the side of rows 5 to 7. So here's our first single crochet, our second single crochet, and our third single crochet. And then we're going to be working 6 foundation single crochet stitches. The first one we chain 2, and then from the second chain we insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. That's the first one. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the second one. So here's our third foundation single crochet stitch, our fourth one, our fifth one, and then our last one. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is our 6th foundation single crochet. Turn your work, chain 1, and then work single crochet across. We should end up with 15 single crochet stitches. So work a single crochet across this foundation stitch of the previous row, and then make sure that you have your work so that we can work the remaining single crochet stitches. It's right here. So this is row 10. We need one more row. Okay, so just to check, this is what it should look like. So we turn your work and then we chain 1. So this is our last row. We work a single crochet stitch across. So just like the previous row, we should have 15 single crochet stitches. So here's our last stitch. We fasten off, cut off the excess yarn, and that's your capital letter H. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.